If you're looking to boost your home's curb appeal without breaking the bank, you're in the right place.
We're sharing 10 affordable ways to update your home's exterior. Number 1. Plant a tree.
Trees are beauty, provide shade, and can even increase your property value.
Choose a spot that works well for your yard, and make sure to follow the planting guidelines for the specific tree species.
Number 2. Paint the front door. A fresh coat of paint on your front door can make a big impact. Choose a bold color to make a statement or a classic shade for a timeless look. Either way, it's a quick and affordable update.
Number 3. Install a new mailbox.
An updated mailbox can enhance the overall look of your home.
Opt for a design that complements your house's style, whether it's modern, traditional, or rustic.
Number 4. Update your house numbers. Swapping out old, faded numbers for new ones is an easy and inexpensive way to give your home a fresh look.
Choose a style that matches your home's exterior design. Number 5. Refresh your landscaping. Trim overgrown bushes, plant new flowers, and add mulch to your flower beds. A well-maintained yard can significantly boost your home's curb appeal. Number 6. Pressure wash your home's exterior. Over time, dirt and grime can build up on your siding, driveway, and walkways. A good pressure wash can make these surfaces look like new again. Number 7. Repair or replace your gutters. Functioning gutters are essential for protecting your home from water damage, and new gutters can improve the look of your home.
If your gutters are in good shape, just give them a thorough cleaning.
Number 8. Add outdoor furniture. Create a cozy seating area on your porch or in your yard.
This not only enhances your home's appearance, but also provides a great space for relaxing and entertaining. Number 9. Update the garage door. If a new door isn't in the budget, consider painting it or adding decorative hardware.
These small changes can make a big difference.
And finally, number 10. Add a water feature. A small fountain or pond can create a serene atmosphere and boost your home's curb appeal. You can find affordable options at your local garden center or online. And there you have it. 10 affordable ways to update your home's exterior and make it more inviting. Which of these tips will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips.